Find the height of the cylinder that has the volume of 710 cubic inches and a diameter of 18 inches. And we're labeling our answer. So in order to solve this problem, we need to know the equation for finding the volume of a cylinder. So if you don't remember that, you can Google it, and you'll find that the volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r squared times h. Right? And if we draw a picture of it, it'll look like this. Here's our cylinder. It's a circular form. It has a height, and then it has a top. Right? So our height is how high it is. Our radius is from the center of the cylinder to the edge. So that's our radius. And then the volume is going to be how much liquid the container can hold, or how much liquid the cylinder can hold. Right? So what do they give us? They give us the volume is 710 cubic inches. So let's say volume is equal to 710 inches to the power of 3 cubic inches. And the diameter is equal to 18 inches. Right? So let's go ahead and first we'll take this equation and we're going to solve for h, right? Because we're trying to find the height of the cylinder. So we can solve for h by dividing both sides by pi r squared. So we'll divide both sides by pi r squared, right? And we'll get h is equal to volume over pi r squared. All right. And we know the volume, it's 710. We know the diameter, which is 18 inches. And so from the diameter, we can find the radius, because the diameter is equal to 2r. Right? So diameter is the length from one side of the circle to the other side of the circle. But radius is from the center to one side, so radius is only half of the diameter. Okay? So if we solve this equation for diameter, we can divide by 2 on both sides, and we get radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2, or half of the diameter. Let's go ahead and plug in our diameter. We'll get 18 over 2 is equal to r, so r is equal to 9 inches. Right? So now we can plug that 9 over into our r here, and we can also plug in the 710 into our volume. And we'll get 710 over pi times 9 squared is equal to h. And so if we get a calculator, we can get an estimate here. So it is going to be 710 divided by 0.14 times 81. So I have an estimate of 2.79. So I'm just going to go ahead and say h is equal to 2.8 inches. Alright, so the height is 2.8 inches, and that's our final answer. So I'm going to box it over here, and I'll put it here. H is equal to 2.8 inches.